Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, we have another unboxing today. I'm so super excited about this one. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Anyway, if you guys like anything that's bag related, whether it's unboxing, review, comparison, contemporary, luxury, it doesn't matter. This is the channel for you. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, because we have so much fun over here. And also, please do not forget to share this with your loved ones and let them join the family as well. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I cannot wait to do a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So let's continue building this family, guys. Anyway, I know you guys are here for the unboxing, but to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the love and support. And let's get to this unboxing. Okay guys, so like I stated, so we have another unboxing. I'm so super excited about this. So this actually is from I think I ordered this item from Bloomingdale. Yes, I did. I ordered this item from Bloomingdale when they had their last sale. I think it was like either 25% off sale. So I was able to pick up this beauty. So without any further ado, and let me stop talking and let's open this box and see what is in there, okay? Handy dandy box cutter. Okay. Okay guys, so let's get this box open. I don't want to cut too deep because I definitely do not want to cut this item. Okay guys, so can you guys guess what it is? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, let's open this up. So this is the, wow, this is really not padded at all. Okay, hopefully my item didn't come damaged, because this box doesn't have any type of cushion or anything. They just have this little paper right here, which is ridiculous. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, yes, it's an item from Coach. And I think probably you guys might be able to tell what it is on the bottom. So this is, if you guys went into one of my videos where I unboxed the smaller sister of this. So this is the bigger sister of that one, okay? Okay, so let's get this. Hopefully you guys can see it. And let's make sure there's no damage to it. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, is the Coach Bandit in the ivory color. Let's see. Alrighty. So let's see if there's any damage or anything to the bag. So this is what the bag look like. There's like a little small mark right up here, but I don't think it's like anything major or anything. So I'm gonna see if it's very visible. But this is the ivory color right here. You guys can see it. And then this is the back of the bag right here in the ivory color. Okay. And then let's see. So it's actually pretty wrapped up really nice with the tag. And then this is what it is. So that's the price right here. So if you guys are interested in shopping this bag, the tag number is CC, not the tag, the style number, I'm sorry, it's CC416. Style number again is 6 CC416. Okay, guys. So this is the beauty right here. The only thing is that because I was trying to actually get this from my CA at the Coach boutique, but I don't think they carry this color. I think this color is just for like retailers like Bloomingdale, Nina Marcus, I think Saks I think those third party, they're the only one that carry this ivory color. I wanted an ivory color, obviously. If you guys know me, you know I'm a very neutral girl. I love neutral items. But also, another thing with ivory colors and light colors is so hard to take care of. So sometimes, like the most little stuff that you see on the bag can make or break the bag. So that's the only thing I don't really like about ivory colors. But anyway, so this is the bag beauty right here, as you guys can see. Alrighty, I don't know if I want to really unwrap everything because I want to really investigate it, make sure everything is good, there's no damages before I actually say I'm going to keep it. But if you guys are brand new at my channel, I did a full detailed review. Let me get the small brother of this, and then I will do like a full investigation of that to make sure. So you guys are aware that I did a full detailed review of this beauty right here. So this one was the one that I picked up from actually the Coach boutique from my amazing essay, Marie. So, and you guys know that I actually bought this chain. So if you guys are not aware of that, I actually have a full detailed review of the unboxing, my first impression, what fit. I went into full detail of this bag before it even was released. So look on my Coach playlist, or even in my video diary, you see everything there. So this is the small version of this. So as you guys can see, I just put it close to close. So this one was the first one that I purchased because I was like, oh, it's so cute and small. So I wanted the bigger brother to that. So this is the bigger one. Honestly speaking, the way it showed on the photo and the way it is right now, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this bag, honestly speaking. Let me just put it out there. The photos look way better than the actual item. I'm not, I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it's like, it looked more on the photo like more glossy kind of thing, like more glossy, and like the white was like more like a creamy white, or creamy, like a beige, not like this white, because this is literally white, but the pictures look way better than what I received. You do have like a little bit scratch on the hardware right here. Let me see if anything, hopefully if you guys can see it, you got a little scratch right there, but obviously it's expected with this type of bag. And then you see the bottom as well. So I definitely want to do a full investigation on this bag to see if I want to keep the color. I do know that I do want, I wanted something, that stood out. And then so like the gold hardware, Coach hardware would definitely show out. So if you guys are not aware, this is the Bandit, the Coach Bandit, but this is the bigger one. So this is considered a Coach Bandit crossbody. And then this one is just a regular Coach Bandit, okay? So I wanted a bigger size, so that's the reason why I actually ordered this. But I'm not 100% sure I'm going to keep it because, like I stated, though, it looked more creamy and it looked more like this is coming off as matte color. It doesn't have like any like gloss to it. It just looks like it's a matte style color. So I'm not sure if I'm really going to keep this. I might return this and actually get the other color, which is more of like the grayish color. It's like a grayish kind of tan color. So I might go get that, but this I'm not 100%. And it's what I was expecting, what I received. Yeah, so I'm not sure yet. I'm probably, because I just received it anywhere like two days ago, so I'm just unboxing it right now. So if you guys, can you guys please help me? Put in the comment below, should I keep it? Do you guys think this is a good color? Like I stated, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more. Yeah, I'm not keeping this. Guys, can you guys see here when I turn it this way? It's like there's scratches already on the back. Oh, no. Definitely not keeping this. So this is definitely a Bloomingdale fail. I am going to be returning this thing first thing in the morning. Yeah, you see, sometimes when you do these unboxing, give you great surprise or terrible surprise. So this is definitely an unboxing fail, because if you do it like this, you guys can see the mark right there. Look at the mark, guys. It's actually marked into it. So yeah, and it's not coming off. It's actually like marked. So when you turn it upside down, you can see it. But if you turn it this way, you can see it a little bit, like, yeah, the camera is making me see it, but like in person it's so hard to see. Yeah, this bag is going by. um yeah, so it's a fail. So um sorry about that, guys. Anyway, this is the video for today. If you guys please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.